Guess you'd be there, but now I know that isn't true. Guess you only want me when I'm there to fix you. And the part that kills me is that I'd still love to. But I just wanna thank you for not being there for me. And I think you should know just what your selfishness has taught me. And even though it hurts like how to feel alone again, because of you I got a chance at holding my own hand. At holding my own hand. At holding my own hand. Learned my lesson, I tried and I tested, and nothing I did I would change. Now I'm here doing it all on my own, and I feel more proud than in pain. Oh, you know I'm still hurting and feel like I need you, but I'm really